So let me explain. This is the game known as Battle Cats. I love this game. I've played it a lot more on a different account. And so I did some progress. I've beaten Japan, which is only the 7th stage. We're currently in Australia. This one had a boss called the Hippo, and I was basically going to make a video about beating Japan, but the video got corrupted, and I can't use it anymore. So I'm going to make this video, and I'm thinking about beating something else. I'm not exactly sure yet, but I have an idea on what I'm going to beat. So, the last video, we just got some cool stuff. We got... It's a lot to explain, but I'll just go on. I love him so much. And then we also have so yeah. And we spun one of these. We only got 10,000 XP from it. Not bad. But now we have some cat tickets and a lucky capsule, which I'm thinking about drawing. Well, yeah, I will draw it because we also have 2 rare tickets that you get lucky capsule tickets from. But yeah, I love this game. It's amazing. I'm playing on PC with a app installation called BlueStacks. Really good for playing on PC. It gives you tons of mode. But yeah, definitely would recommend this game. Yeah. But so now we're going to draw the regular cat capsules. So first cat is Gross. I did so much last video, I kind of have to get him now. So this actually, since I already have him, will give me a +1. See, so if I upgrade him, it's not going to upgrade this, it's going to give him a +1. And then... this isn't a cat, this is the research, which are these little upgrades, and it gives me... oh, it upgrades my cat production speed, so it lets me send out cats faster. And then now we have 2 rare cat tickets, and currently there's the June Bride capsules, which is only at a certain time, and it has some cool things like the uber rare cake machine, the Kronos the Bride, and even the Protrude Balaluga, which is part of a set I love called the Nekalugas. But yeah, and also has the Grateful Crane, which is from Ultra Souls, which is the other one we are going to be doing. Right here, you see him? He's right here, and then on the other one, we have him right here. So we're going to spin one of our tickets on each of them. So we'll do June Bride first. And we got... I love Steve Cat. He's a fun little guy. He's a fun little rascal. But yeah, now we have a rare cat, and now we have the Ultra Souls, which I'm really hoping we get an uber rare. Uber rares are these super good cats that are really powerful. I only have one from this set, which is this one right here, Princess Kaguya. And actually on a different account, I have this guy right here called Ushumari Taro. I totally said that incorrectly. Urashima Taro. Yeah, but the ones we are really hoping for would be Kasajizo, the Grateful Crane, Kachi, and then I would prefer the other 3, but Princess Kaguya would be pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and put this. So we got... I quite like Wolfie Wade. I think he's cool. He's not my favorite cat, but I like him. He is good against zombies, which we aren't going to see for a while. And now, we have a starter special. Instead of spending 150 cat food per one spin, we can only hit 30. Which I think we're going to do for the Ultra Souls, because, I mean, it's a really good set, and it has, besides even the Ubers, which, may I add, let me go all the way down here. Ubers are super rare to get. They are a 5% chance. They're rare. The reason I'm getting so many of them is because they're almost a 70% chance. So, yeah. There is this one, which evolves into, I believe his name is Benkai. He's super strong, but he's not even an Uber. He is a legend rare, which I really should. But yeah, no, there are super rares, as you can see here. There are some limited ones. I just said lemon. There are some limited ones like Gold Cat, the Nico, Cat Base, and Metal Cat. And then here are the rare cats. You can see here. Here's Thief Cat, which I've gotten from the June Bright, and then here's Welterweight, which I got from this one. So yeah, we're gonna do something good. Oh, I'm quite excited for this. This guy is Swordsman. Swordsman Cat is really good for early game right now. Because in the corrupted data, in my last video that was corrupted, I had talked about, Axe Cat. Yes, Axe and Ninja Cat. Yes, they are both, they're very similar, except Axe is slower, Ninja's faster, but I think Axe is also a little bit more, tanky and a little bit, I think he has a little bit better attack. But Swordsman is like a better version of both of them. They are all good against red enemies. So far, we've only seen regular, non-traded enemies, but red enemies are something else, man. You know, and Swordsman he's really good. I'll show you guys what he does. But yeah, see, it costs 150 now. So for the missions, we get, okay. We've got 20 captives. So now, if we go into the cat guide and go through all the specials he is effective against red enemies, and he does massive damage. That is really good. He has the knockback effect and the zombie killer effect, which basically just keeps zombies dead because they will revive after you kill them. It's stupid, but they're not that hard. So now let's go ahead and equip some of our new cats. We'll obviously equip Swordsman Cat, and I always put my cats by cost. I keep them up here, and then I go down by what is least to most expensive, and then after this I keep on going. So we'll just put all of our cats in here so that we have all of them at our dispenser. What did I just say? There's Ninja. We don't have a new one. Okay, we don't have any. So now we get to spend some XP, which actually in like I don't know what it's called. The thing in forgiveness. Not forgiveness. Oh my gosh. And like a peace offering or whatever to you guys. I think in this episode we're gonna get Cat to level 10, which has something cool to happen. We might be able to. We can. But here's the problem. We can get him to level 10, but that would leave us with only 2,000 or 200 actually XP, which I wanna. Oh, I can't even do this. Boom. See here, guys? This is the cool thing I was talking about. It says, congratulations for reaching level 10. The cat changed class. What does that mean? I already know what it means. I'm sure a lot of you do if you've ever seen Battle Cats before. But here's one of the best meat shields in the game, Macho Cat. Macho Cat is literally stronger and more tanky. Nothing else to him. But I like it, so I had to get it. And now we are going to fight Australia. I'm excited. I can't say that I'm not. Oh, so we can, because we have more than 6 units, it's telling us we can change the units. But I don't do that. I do the second option, which is do this, and now I can see all of them. which a lot of people, I don't know why, a lot of people don't really like doing this. I think it makes it far more easier. And I say we save up and get swords. Unless they do a lot of damage. You have an area attack, or you have a single attack, but you get more cash. So right here, this ability, not the single attack, but the other one, means that when he kills things, it gives us more damage. Okay, that was pretty easy. That was pretty dang easy. And now we have Singapore. Here's the thing. So, what we're gonna do to finish the video, just go through it and make it all good, is we are gonna spend the rest of our energy. So see up here how it says, like, all these have a certain energy cost. Singapore's is 12, Australia's 12. It'll keep on getting gradually more energy to fight these stages. So we are just gonna go until we cannot fight another stage, and then we'll end the video there, unless I think that that is not good. But yeah, I think that's what we're Alright, so far I see nothing wrong with Singapore, except for a giant mermaid dragon looking thing spitting water. I don't know how I feel about that. I just realized how uncomfortable that makes me. A giant mermaid dragon spitting water. Ew. What kind of kinky do you have to like that? I love Dang. Oh, I know this is the mortal Now it's time to tell you what these treasures are. So, I already explained it in the corrupted data. Oh, wait, hold on. Get the treasure. New cat. 1022, is it actually? It's actually 1022, wow. Oh, a new special cat. No, guys. I was so excited last, to get the, ninja cat. But it costed 50 cat food. We have 100. But this guy, he's really good early game, not that good late game. But, I mean, he's still good, but not that good. But I so want him. He costs 150 cat food, which I only have 100. So we're gonna need to get some more cat food. Which I think, so this is called leader rank. You get more by upgrading cats. So at 100 we get a rare ticket. That doesn't help me. Okay, it's whatever. We'll get him later. But we gotta go to those treasures. So these are treasures. These three that I have right here. So this is from the first area of Korea. This is from the third area of China. And this is from the sixth area of the Philippines. I've completed them and gotten the superior. See here how it says superior for all of them? There are 3 tiers. Inferior, normal, and superior. Superior is like a gold, normal is like a silver, and then inferior is like a bronze, you know? Superior is the best of the best, and once you get all of them in a thing, like, so if we get these other 4 filled, then we unlock this, which is called the energy drink. And if we have all of them at superiors, then it gives us a 100% bonus. But if we have like all superiors and then like a normal or an inferior, it's gonna be like a 80% boost. So you want all the superiors, and you can go back and fight them and you'll get them. But I got this over here from Singapore called the inferior, and it's still good to get treasure. Don't get me wrong, it's amazing. But we could have gotten better, far better than an inferior. So yeah, I already said that I was gonna, like, I might have said it, I don't remember if I did. You know, because everyone does. They don't normally get them on their first run through of the chapter. Oh, by the way, this is only chapter 1 of Empire of Cats. There are 2 other things. There's the Empire of Cats, Into the Future, and Cats of the Cosmos. Cats of the Cosmos is I'm not even there on my main account. Actually, I am. And the first chapter, all the oh, guys, it's a red enemy. Which means we killed it. So see, the red pig, he's scared This is chapter 1 of Empire of Cats. So it's the very first thing. Oh! Awesome. Okay. So, we cleared the Maldives, which has given us the leadership. A leadership is an item you can use when you have no more energy, and it will recover your energy, all of it, to your max. So we're not going to use it. We're going to use it probably in the next episode or after that. But yeah, we're not going to use it for this episode. We're going to use all the XP we've collected, and we're going to go on a shopping spree. Oh, I forgot how much I like India's little base. It's like pouring steam. Why? Okay, no, this base is so detailed, but look at the enemies, and like, look at Macho, dude. You can see his pixels perfectly. And like Cat God, like I don't know if you'll see the pixels, but not as much for everything else. It looks like it's oh my god. Let's save up and get a down there being red pigs. These red pigs, we don't like them. The red pigs are scary. We can't do those. See guys, when we just wait, I don't know why I'm saying that. Very impatient. You don't even have to beat the enemies, you just gotta beat the base. Really close. We need 30 more cat food, and then we can get the big guy with some titties. Oh god, that sounds so weird, but trust me, it's not as weird as it sounds. Oh! Okay. Listen guys, listen. So, we have 2 quests right here. One of them is new, but it says, if I complete Madagascar, in the Empire of Cats Chapter 1, where we are at, then I will get 20 cat food. That's only the 16th stage, that is not far away. But that's only 20. I know what you're thinking. 20? That ain't gonna help you, that will be 140. I know that. If we raise our user rank, which is the thing you can raise by, what's it called? By upgrading your cats by 10, which is only one more way, we will get 20 more cat food, giving us 160. Mathematician, guys, that is enough to get Big Titty Cat, aka Sumo Cat. I know it sounds really weird, me saying Big Titty Cat, but trust me, you'll see what I mean. Oh, we might have to use that leadership. We'll see. Or we could save it for the next video. Ooh, totally could. I think that'd be cool, unlocking Sumo Cat. I'm personally gonna probably do that, considering, lazy. Alright, we got a Macho and a Tank going. I'm really excited to evolve Tank, because I love tanks. I love Tank, great back. Oh my god. We're gonna get like, they're really useful for this, you know? We use them as a Devotion. So, what is a devotion? Like, I know what devotion is, but why does Nepal have devotion? I don't. Forget everything I said about devotion. We have a new cat, and oh, yo, we get one when we clear South Africa. So, I mean, yeah, I think Samurai Cat. Okay, I like Samurai Cat. He's cool. Not as cool as Sumo, man. I don't care what it is. I want Sumo. And you know what? No. Yeah, actually. I'm gonna try and get Tank Cat to level 10 in the next video. We're using it on Ultra Souls because I really want Kasajizo or Princess Kaguya or Kachikachi or something like that because I know how good they are. Let's see what we get, guys. Oh! Yes! Yes! Oh my gosh, no, that is so good. You guys want to know why that's so good? Actually, let me make sure that's so good really quick. Because I know, I'm pretty sure I've seen this cat before. I'm pretty sure I have this cat, actually. Yes! Yes, that's awesome. Okay, so this cat evolves into Power Salt Cat, which I haven't used it in a while, but it's really, really good for early game into the future, which is the second chapter, because Into the Future has tons of alien enemies, and he not only resists alien enemies, but he also does massive damage to them. So he's really good. Of course, we could change him into almost 500,000. Hold on. Okay, listen. There's so many other good enemies. Guys for alien. He's so good in general. Yeah, no, I'm not doing it. I'm gonna use him. Don't get mad at me now. I'm using him. But don't tell me I'm wrong. That was terrible. We all know it. Like almost 500,000. I could have upgraded everything. Literally. Oh. There we go. Resistant and he does massive damage, which he's just good in general because one, how fast he is, and two, because of how fast he attacks. So yeah, let's go ahead and just check him out real quick. not gonna get it out for a while. Oh! Excuse me, didn't know we had guests. So, okay. You guys might be thinking, oh wow, 2 new cats. They cost XP, but he has enough to get either of them. So, I mean, Bird Cat, this one over here, right? I mean, he costs 5,000. Well, Cow Cat only costs 400. So, Bird must be better, right? You're a liar. You're lying to yourself. Cow Cat is superior. CB is... I really wanted the... I really wish Cow Cat had an area attack, because it would have been way better to prove me you're right. But, just listen, guys. Just listen, okay? Okay, thank you. He's better. So we're gonna get him. We have Cow Cat now. Can't evolve him once. But, the only reason I even got it was because, you know how we get 5 cat food every single time? Look at how much cat food we get. Yeah, that's a big number, right? I mean, that's a 150, which is of course enough to get a spin. I mean, why get a spin? Like, not even that good. Especially compared to SUMO Cat. We got him! Why am I can't say that word here. Of course, we get big kitty. That kitty has big titties. Oh god, no. So, I actually love his description. Tank Cat didn't listen. When they said that size doesn't matter. Now with somewhat stronger attack, and now Tank Cat, oh wait, let's say, you know how Tank Cat has a single attack, but he has an area attack. Well, either way, Sumo is an area attack, okay? He's good, guys. He's good. And now, we have a full team of bats. I don't know why I said that like I was waiting for an applause or something. Let's hope. Okay, yes. We have just enough energy to do Dubai. Hold on. Oh no, we need to kill Madagascar. Never mind. But yeah, let's do this really quick. And we'll use one of our brand new... Use items of... Oh, no, I know how to use that. Now, okay. So this speeds everything. Let's see how fast I'm... Which, actually, this might just be our perfect chance to use our new... Look at it. Hold on. I don't know if I was hearing it correctly, but I'm pretty sure that thing said that if we clear Saudi Arabia, we get another cat ticket, but it might have been South Africa. I think it was South Africa. But anyways, that was Battlecast. I hope you guys had a lot of enjoyment out of watching this video. I liked it quite a lot. But, you know, I hope you guys have a really great night, great day, whatever it is for you, wherever you live. I don't really need to know that information. But yeah, I'm really happy because we got ourselves Sumo Cat, and that is what I like to call it today. So I hope you guys have a great whatever it is for you. Goodbye.